Hello everyone, welcome back to another 4K Blu-ray unboxing video. Today we're doing a very special video. We're doing a triple unboxing to 3 movies that came out in 4K last week, but Walmart kept delaying my orders. So we were doing a 4K unboxing of Airplane, Catch Me If You Can, and Minority Report. So yeah, here we go. First up, we're going to start with Airplane from 1980. This is one of my favorite comedies ever. And I'm so glad. I mean, it was on 4K previously, like in a box set, like from this director's like filmography or something like that. Because I think the first Naked Gun was in that box set too. But it's glad that it has a standard 4K because I know Airplane 2 has one as well. Hold on, let me get this slip off. Trying to do it one-handed. There we go. Okay, let's shrink wrap right here. Hold on, must have fallen off. Okay. Here's the actual case itself. Same thing from the slip. Let's get this shrink wrap off. So yeah, Airplane is one of my favorite comedy movies ever. It's great. No pun intended, it would not fly today, I don't think, because of all the dark humor it has and how sensitive the world is now. I don't think people would really appreciate this film as much today if it were to come out today, but I love it so much. So is that all of it? Oh, maybe that's more. Okay. Okay. Oh, my bad. Okay, so here, oh, I think this is the Blu-ray disc. And there's the 4K. I'm going to switch those in a second because they're in the wrong place. Here's the digital code. Feel free to take it. First come, first serve. And back's blank. Alright, let's fix these. Way to go, Paramount. You put them all in the wrong place. I'm glad that this one comes with the Blu-ray as well, because most newer 4Ks from Paramount don't come with the Blu-rays. It's just 4K and the digital code. I'll do this one-handed. I'll just worry about that later. Okay, so that was Airplane on 4K. Next up is Catch Me If You Can from 2002. Really great Spielberg film. And great performances from Leonardo DiCaprio and Tom Hanks. And it's great that this film's on 4K as well. It's great that all 3 of these are on 4K. It's really great because all 3 of these films are great. Come on. There we go. This is what happens when you're not professional and have a tripod. Is it all? Yep. Okay. Alright. Okay, you know, I'm not even going to fix it now. If they're all going to be like this, I'll just fix it later. But we got the Blu-ray, digital code, first come, first serve. And let's see, behind it is the 4K. Okay, so there was Catch Me If You Can on 4K. And last but not least, we have Minority Report from 2002 as well, also by Steven Spielberg, starring the great Tom Cruise. Okay. Come on, there we go. There we go. I think this is the one I'm most excited watching 4K because of how much visuals, or how visually cool it is. So I can't freaking talk. This is dragging with the shrink wrap. Okay. The manufacturers need to get their act together here. First come, first serve. 4K. Okay, that was Minority Report, and that does it with this triple 4K Blu-ray unboxing video for Airplane, Catch Me If You Can, Minority Report. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys whenever I make another video. Peace.